What is up guys, and welcome back to Apple Spotter, and today I'm going to show you an app in which you will get all of the Siri shortcut at once. So let's jump right in. Before we start the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. So the first step is just go to the link down below in the description. You will get the link in the description. It is the Z jailbreak, and please don't take any tension because it will not jailbreak your device. And once you are in the link, just click on the install Z jailbreak. It will ask to install the profile and just hit close. Then you have to do it manually. Then just go to the settings and go to the general, scroll down under the VPN. You will find the profile and device management. Once you are in it, you will have to just click to install. Just enter the passcode, whichever the passcode you have, and once it is done, it will ask to install. Just hit install and you are basically done with the profile. Now here you will get the Z jailbreak app. Just hit to open it. Once the app is being opened, you will find many of the apps in this Z jailbreak. You have to find the app which is being called Wiston. Once you find the Wiston app, just click on the Wiston app and just click install to it. Once you click done and install to it, it will ask to install the profile. Just allow and the profile is being installed in your settings. Then again you have to do it manually. Just go to the settings, profile and device management. Under the VPN you will get the profile and device management, and you will find this app. Just hit install and enter your passcode. Then it will ask to install. Just click install and your Wiston app is being ready to get run. So now you will be able to take all of the Siri shortcut at once. Just open this app and you will find the many of the shortcuts in this link. And if you find that the app is not working properly just like this, then just clear your RAM by clicking on the power button. Once this pop-up comes, then click on the home button and your RAM will get cleared. Then you will back to the home screen. Then again open this app and you will find that the app is working properly. And if you want any of the shortcuts, like I want any music shortcut, just click on the more. And like I want this get lyrics shortcut, I'll just click on that get button and it will take me to the Siri shortcut. Once this pop-up came, just get shortcut and it will say that it is added to the library. As you can see here, the get lyrics shortcut, it's in the Siri shortcuts app. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button too. Please like and subscribe. Peace out.